Thanks for joining me here in the attic. So pull up a chair, grab your favorite beverage, and we'll get to crafting and memory keeping. Welcome back to day 20 of our Cora Crea crafts unboxing and creating series. If you're new here, this is where I have received a Cora Crea crafts advent calendar box from my family for my birthday. So I decided I wanted to challenge myself to create junk journal items with something that was in each pack each day. So if you're new here, there's a playlist down in the description box that you can go back and check out all the past videos. And if you're returning, I'd like to welcome you back. So let's open up day 20. Only a few short days left till Christmas. Hope everyone is having a great holiday season. This year has been quite different. I have not stressed about decorating like I normally do. It has just been a kind of chill year. So let's see what we've got here. Okay, we've got, looks like paper and possibly stickers. Let's open this up. Doesn't say. I love the unicorns though. So let's see what we've got. We've got unicorn stickers. Pretty sure these are stickers. Let's check. Are they stickers or are they die cuts? Can't tell. And the package does not say. I think they might be die cuts. Thought at first they were stickers, but I think they're die cuts. And we've got some beautiful stationery paper. Let's see what we've got here. We've got, those are the same. Oh, we've got stationery paper in the same pattern as our packages. This is very similar to, I want to say it was day 1 box with that, the stationery and the envelopes. Okay, we've got several of these. Those are a little different in color. These also are same pattern, a little different in color. These. Got 2 of the owls in different color variations. Different owl. And 3 of these. So we got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 papers and 5 die cuts. Alright, these are great. So I'm going to pause the video for a minute, grab some material, and we'll come back and create. What I grabbed is some stickles in the color unicorn, some Vicki Boutin Creative Fix silver glaze, a stencil, and some coffee dyed paper. So let's add some music and see what we can create. For day 20, we had these beautiful stationery papers and the die cuts of the unicorns. I created a journal page using a piece of coffee dyed paper and a piece of the stationery paper. I did some tearing on that and went ahead and glued it to the center of where I'll sew it into the signature. But that created a tuck spot on the front and back of the pages. I did some stenciling with the silver texture paste here. And then on the inside, I used those torn edges that I tore off, making the tuck spots, and bordered my inside pages. Used my number 20 sticker and the unicorn die cut. And then I added the unicorn stickles to the mane and tail of the unicorn to add some shimmer and pop for that. I cannot believe we only have 4 more days left of this advent calendar. Please be sure to hit the subscription button and the notification bell so you'll be notified the next time I put up any new content. I wanted to also take a minute to give a shout out to one of my subscribers, Froggy Ray Creations, here on YouTube. I will link her channel down in the description box. Be sure to go over there. She has done an unboxing of 3 Cora Crea crafts mystery boxes, and so you can check out everything that was in those boxes and support another fellow small YouTuber. And in the spirit of the holidays here in the attic, I leave y'all with my beverage choice of the day. It is a repeat in the advent calendar box today. It is the Irish cream, but again, that is one of my favorites, so I wasn't sad about the repeat. So let's see what our chocolate is for day 20. Chocolate is the cappuccino. So I'm going to sit back, enjoy my coffee and my chocolate, and until I see y'all again here in the attic, y'all take care.